been hiking with Remy on and off throughout the day. Look at this guy. He is way up there. He's just leading the way. We're basically hiking the disc golf course. Around here there's 2 courses. Come on.
Muddy water too.
Oh my gosh, he is muddy. Dude, you just got a bath like 2 days ago.
You got a leaf stuck to your fucking leg, bro.
You are nasty. Remy, are you having fun? Let's go hike. Let's go hike. Come on. Remy, you gotta wait on your dad. Remy's curious now. Remy, you can't do that. Come on, meet him over here.
I don't know if I can get around.
You gonna walk it?
I tell you, it got hot.
Yeah, it is hot. I need to take my hoodie off.
I know, I got these insulated pants on.
Oh, hold on. We're not stopped for long.
Alright.
You coming?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
I don't know.
There's a tree down there. Hold on, Remy.
Hold on, buddy.
Oh my gosh. I bet that. Oh gosh.
200 pounds coming down like that. Goodness.
That was a lot higher.
Yeah, it was a lot higher. Once I committed, I was like, what did I just do?
Yeah. Well, that was fun.
That was fun.
Remy didn't like it. Look, he's whining and he's already all the way up there. Yeah. Remy! You left us! It's crazy how Remy's instincts, like, are leading us on this trail. Like, you can barely see it because there's so many leaves. And we can see the markers, but Remy doesn't know what the markers are. It's really cute. And it's really nice that there's nobody really out here, so he can be off leash. Come on, bud. Even though he keeps getting in the water. Come on. Come on, let's go. This way? We didn't intend on hiking. It was over an hour and a half. We just kind of like got off of the disc golf trail and got onto the mountain bike trail. Come here, Remy. Come here. So anyways, we somehow got on the mountain bike trail and we were looking for the pier that we had seen yesterday. It was across the way, and that's about where we were. So we just kind of made our way to that. Okay, so we should be able to see. Yeah, so that. Oh, okay, yay! And then started rounding around the lake. Realized about 30 minutes ago that we were committed to circling the full lake. So we are now on the front entrance. No.
We're on the back entrance.
We're the back entrance. I thought we were in the front.
Mm-mm.
But we still have a solid mile to go. This is in the back, kind of where we had Thanksgiving yesterday, and this is where I was running yesterday, but it is very hilly, so we're gonna walk the road.
That's good enough there.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Do that. So honestly, I was gonna take a nap. Wade wanted to go out and do a little adventuring, Remy was so tired from just a small walk we did earlier. We decided I was going to go on a hike. We were just going to leave Remy. But by the time that we had walked out the door, he was walking out the door. He wasn't letting us leave him.
That's a good thing he came with us.
Yeah, I'm so glad he came with us. He actually is who guided us the whole 2-hour hike that we just went on. He got in the lake. That's why we're cleaning him off right now. Oh my goodness, dude, you got so dirty. But I think it was worth it. Remy, look. Did you have fun? Yeah. So this is our campsite. In the front of the campsite, we have this picnic table. There is a fire pit right over there, and there's a grill. We have a burn ban in effect right now, so we can't use either one of those. And then we bought this really nice pen that we can put it anyway, but this is kind of how we have it set up now. It's perfect for me to be able to just enjoy outside, and we actually don't even have to be out here with him. And it has 2 entries, so I can just pop this up and open this like that. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. And just walk in. Which is really convenient, but like I said, we could put these anywhere because you can just build this. We can put the door over here. We have this door, and then we have a door over there. And then we have our lounge chairs, a nice little mat, our steps. Funny thing is, we actually bought a nicer, lighter, easier step, but Remy would not use it, so we ended up just using these. We've had these since we bought the camper. Yeah, we're just like on this nice little pad, and it's just really beautiful out here. On the other side of us is like a softball field. We actually watched some kids or a family play kickball earlier. Remy really enjoyed that, just from our front porch right here. And then just a bunch of play area, and then there's a lake on the other side of these trees, some pavilions, and then we're at the front of the campsites. There's Wade. And then there is the bathhouse right over there, which we've used a little bit. It's not really busy, but we have like a whole family on the other side of our campsite, so. Also, we had a really nice gentleman come talk to us, and he knew exactly what kind of camper we had. So that was really neat. So he was admiring our camper. We talked to him for a little bit. I think everybody that's seen it.
Yeah, so far everybody loves the paint job on it.
Yeah, which I'm excited, because we really thought people were not gonna love it. So,
when I say all the people, I mean the 2 people that's talked to us.
Yeah.
Or the 3 people that's
well, and then our family. So our family loved it. So yeah, I just wanted to share the outside of the camper. It's so cute. Remy's really loving it. He's still trying to dry off from his excursion in the water. But the sprayer, even though we can't use the shower just yet, the sprayer actually came in handy, being able to put it outside the actual camper. So that was nice. Are you done? I think Remy's going to be done for the day. But we've just been picking ticks off of his head. We already knew he was going to have to, because this place is, I don't know if it's the time of year. Look, there's another one right there, I think. Yep. It's a tick. Since we came back, that was the 3rd tick that we found on his head. It's crazy. Did you hear me?
Yep.
I just found a 3rd tick, which it was a baby. Okay. Look, it's your dinner. We've been hanging out outside after our hike. After we got Remy all cleaned up, we've just been hanging out. But as the time passes, it's getting colder. So we decided to come inside and use some of the heat. Maybe make some dinner. Didn't realize it was only 4 o'clock. And I also just realized that this is our last night. It's a very short trip. I don't know. We just kind of got settled in, so I kind of feel sad to leave. We've had such a good day. We had no plans for the day. especially after yesterday. We just wanted to just relax. We haven't made the bed. We didn't really make ourselves up. We just was able to just enjoy. So, went on several walks. Nice 2-hour hike. Just talked to people outside the campsite and just enjoyed. Like I said earlier, we watched a kickball game with the family. It was just really fun. Remy's wearing himself out. We actually had to make him come inside because he absolutely loves this cool weather. But, yeah. We've been having so much fun. But, I think I'm going to make some dinner, like I said, because we're hungry. And I've got some crescent rolls, some, like, cocktail weenies, some Hawaiian rolls, and then I have some pot roast. So I think we're gonna make like little sandwiches and like some fun stuff. I have some cheeses and stuff, so I think we're just gonna make a nice little dinner. Probably cook that all in the air fryer, and probably have some Christmas music, Christmas movies going. We've had Christmas music, and also I've got some nog. Did you put it in the fridge? Oh, where is it at? While Wade enjoys his beer, I'm going to be drinking some So Delicious nog. Haven't really been buying much of it this season. Like last year I stocked up, the year before I stocked up. But I'm going to enjoy a little bit of that and just hang out in our cozy little camper for one last night.